Welcome, my friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to design a voice using none other than Suno. We're going to use Suno for the vocal design to bring it to life, but we're also going to use a tool on PHILLC.net. So let me show you how this can unfold. When you get into Suno, you go into Create, get to a brand new page. If you have an idea of the melody of the song, you can hum the melody in, you can sing the melody in, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit audio, I'm going to hit record, and it's going to come up with this, and just hit and sing the melody in your head. Because I want this to be a soprano singer, I'm going to sing it on a higher register. Do 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 ba da do 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 do. Rough sketch, that's all that's needed. I'm gonna hit save, I'm gonna hit cover. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to PHILLC.net. This is where I have a bunch of tools for you to play with. Those of you who are my subscribers, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and begin to use these tools at will. But we're going into what I call my vocal prompt designer. If you go to AI music tools, you go to vocal designer, that's it right there. We want a female vocal. We're going to look for a great female vocal that can take this to the next level. It's going to be more of a country. We want more of a, let's see, country, maybe a bluegrassy something. Oh, you know what? Let's see. Let's just go for bluegrass. We want it to be a very airy, ethereal voice. It's going to be a high soprano range. It's going to be smoky and mellow, yet high. It's going to be emotional and dynamic. You see, you got to know what you want when you use this tool. It's going to be more like uplifting, hopeful, and actually lyrical theme. Let's make it poetic. It's more poetic. This song is more poetic. And it's going to be dry and clean. You see, my new Suno lens, you got to know what you want from Suno. You got to know what you want from your music so that you can craft your prompt with specificity. Let's hit generate prompt. Let's go back into Suno. So there's the music that I put in, the humming, and in the lyrics, I have written a brand new song, and the song starts like this. Morning sun on my window, soft gold hands pull me upright. So it's about me waking up and the world, the sun, the rain, the elements beckoning to me to begin the day, to come play. Okay, so it's a little bit of a poetic song, but that's it. And now that we've got our prompt for the voice, we're going to copy that. Going to go back into Suno and we're going to put it in styles, right there in styles. Now, I have the song on a bluegrassy beat, but I can always change that in multiple iterations. So watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to look for the very best rendition of this song, and I'm going to try it in a few genres, okay? So the very first one, I'm just going to call it New Day, and this is bluegrass. That's the first one I'm going to do. I'm going to tone up the melody because, you know, we've got options, the advanced options. So I'm gonna tone up the audio I really want it to follow my melody to make it mine. Style, gonna crank it up. And now we hit create. Boom. Suno's ready to show us what it's got. So let's listen.
Morning sun on my window, soft gold hands pull me upright. Morning breeze calls my name, teaches my feet how to begin. Green grass at my toes, earth whispers come play. Love costs nothing, peace is free. Sky and breath belong to me. All the riches I can see. The best things don't charge a fee. Wind and rain hushes time. Silver drums slow my mind. Gentle dark settles in, tells my heart rest again. Love costs nothing, peace is free. Sky and breath belong to me. All riches I can see. The best things don't charge a fee. Wind and rain, gale and flame, all collide. Call my name, they give birth, life made new. Shift my side, pull me through. New perspective, new directive, listen close, be receptive. Love costs nothing, peace is free. Time and truth flow through me. All the riches I can see. The best things are wild and free.
Well done, Suno. That was very good. I like the way it crafted from my initial melody, blended the words in. This is what partnering in this age is about. I brought the melody, I brought the song, and it brought the integration. That is really nice. So let's listen to the second one.
Morning sun on my window, soft gold hands pull me upright. Morning breeze calls my name, teaches my feet how to begin. Green grass at my toes, earth whispers, come play. Love costs nothing,
Yeah,
peace is free.
that banjo brings it home.
Sky and breath belong to me. All the riches I can see. The best things don't charge a fee. Evening rain hushes time. Silver drums slow my mind. Gentle dark settles in, tells my heart rest again. Love costs nothing, peace is free. Sky and breath belong new directive. Listen close, be receptive. Love costs nothing, peace is free. Time and truth flow through me. All the riches I can see, the best things are wild and free.
Yeah, that was very, very good. I'll see you in the next episode.